Hi everyone, this is a video about this DREMEL Multi-vise 3-in-1, and I always wanted to have a vise, multi-purpose vise at home for some jobs that I'm doing. I need the vise to come off the base, and this one just does it as well. There are different devices like this out there, but this one has had the unique way of operation, which is you can use it attached to your worktop and then take the vise off the unit and use it separately, and then you can also mount your Dremel to this with the attachment that already came with this unit. And I have to say that the price of this is really dear in comparison to the other ones out there. The price of this differs from £35 up to, some people they are selling this for £45 or up to £50, which I don't recommend. For that price you can buy another vices that they are out there on the internet. And this is the back of the item, and this part is the English version. You can pause and read, and then on the other side is just nothing. It just shows how it attaches to your worktop. That's really it. And on the top and bottom is the same image, nothing really special. So I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more. So these are everything that it was in the box, including this piece of paper, just to show you how it operates, how many pieces it has, and how to mount it on your worktop and how to operate it. We are going to talk about this shortly. And it says, okay, it says you can purchase a Dremel light for this as well. This is a gimmicky stuff that, you know, if you search for it, maybe you only can find this LED light on Dremel site, but I couldn't find anything like that. But I can make even a better one myself. So Dremel, as you know, is a Bosch sister company, that everything that they are making is very expensive and very dear. So this is the base that is going to be attached to your worktop, and this is the screw. I would rather for this to be at least metal, and this part, for those that they have some sort of edge to the worktop, then you can remove this if you like, or you can press it and fit it in there. But in my case, this is going to be a little bit thick, so I will take this away, and I already only use this screw to just fix it to my worktop. And here we have a black mat that is going to protect your worktop in order to just do not leave a mark on your worktop. This is the front of your vise base, and this is the bull head sort of vise. That is really, I expected for the money that you pay for this, I expected to be a little bit more fluid rather than being like this. You can separate everything here as well, and then when you have it in desired position, you just turn this round and it's going to be fixed. But still, you know, it remains to be seen how strong and how stable this one is. And this is the part that this shaft is going in there. I'm going to show you that part as well. So this is again for having more stability when you are operating this. And in my case I took it off, so I put this on this corner, and then this is the vise itself. The way to move it is just by pressing this and then adjust the thickness or length, and then with this just squeeze them together as you wish. But it's really rugged. These are solid. It looks solid, but they are not actually solid. They are hollow, and if you take these screws off, you can see that it's hollow. And these are removable. You can, if you damage them in some shape or form, you can just purchase them, and that's really it. And then when you want to mount it on the vise itself, you just take this end off and then press this blue, this one, and then pull it apart, and then it goes in there, and then you tighten this, and some sort of oil is coming out of this. Let me just clean my hand and come back. Yeah, and then as soon as you tighten this, I think the oil is somewhere here, if you can see. Let me just, with a piece of tissue, I just clean that rather to avoid it. And then again here you put this in there, and then you see it's coming in. You don't need to press this, but in taking it out you need to press that, and then you can adjust this to any separation distance between these two that you desire, and then do the final adjustment with this at the back, which is really helpful. I just take this off just to show you another way that you can use this, which I was really interested to do that. So I put this here in the view, and then I was rather interested to use this in this shape because it stands on the table, and then you can just do as you wish. For instance, you know, if you want to put something in the middle, let me just try this pipe. You just push it inside and then do the final fixing like so, and this is, I think, because it's round, is going to squeeze it. So not good for pipes like this one. And then I guess maybe from this side is much better. And then do whatever you like what I did here with another stuff. And remember, put this back always, just to avoid losing it. This is about just enough about this vise. And now we go to these attachments that it came with it. I haven't opened it, so I open it and we are going to talk more. So these three, and this spanner, this says DREMEL, and this nut that is going to attach to your DREMEL, I show you. And then this, you can put it in any sort of angle that you like, preferably like so, and then tighten this. And your Dremel, let me get my Dremel. This is my Dremel, and remember that this I have to take all the cables out and come back. So this is my faithful Dremel that I've been using for a long time, and it still looks brand new. So in order to connect this, you have to take this one off. But if you have one of these quick release ones, unfortunately you have to take this one off as well, and then screw it back on if you wish. So you take this one off, and then this one I just check because this is the first one. Yes, it fits. So you put this in there and then screw this on the top. I think here is a little bit messy. Let me just take these away and bring in the main attraction here. And then you just tighten this like so, and then with this spanner, if you want, you can tighten it a little bit more. That's it. And then that's what you are having. And then you can adjust the angle of this. Let me just loosen this in any direction that you like, as far as it doesn't go to 45 degrees. It's just going like so. This is the most angle that you can get out of this, which if it could go to 90 degrees would be fantastic, but unfortunately it doesn't. And then if this one is on your way, you can always, you know, use this other way around. Let me just do this. Let me just loosen this and then do it like that, and then push this in there and then tighten it, and then this one goes out of your way like so. Sorry about that. And that's really it. So if you want me to just demonstrate to you how this one works, just let me know in the comment box and I get back to you. But for the time being, this is just a demonstration that how you can use this, unboxing and a short review about this. So this is a little bit disappointing that you have to take this off and on every time that you want to mount it in there, but I guess you are not gonna do that all the time. So I put my faithful Dremel in its place, and if you are interested in this I purchased a box, a Dremel box, that it came with all the accessories like this, mounting area, and then cable management it has under here, and then the box, if you are interested, I'm going to show you as well. This is the box that I purchased separately, that it has a container here and then some paper, how to use this box, how to store your stuff, and this is the storage area that it sits here like so. And then I have my somehow this is a mobile or hanging Dremel that is really helpful for me, because the new ones, they are much thicker than this, but this is the old one, which is like a pen. It's very small. So I have stored my Dremel in here, and my Dremel, it goes in there in its place, and everything is really tidy up here. But the main attraction of this video is not this box, but this vise, which I am gonna use and report back to you as to how effective and how good an investment it is for everyone to just purchase this. And I recommend this, but because of the price is rather hard, because you can purchase another vices out there that they are offering a little bit more than what we have in here. But in total, if you find a bargain at a very reduced price, I purchased this for £35, and if you can find it at this price, it's worth every penny. But more than that, I'm afraid you can find better items. But if you are really Dremel aficionados and really like Dremel stuff, yes, go ahead and purchase this. Anyhow, this video is getting too long, and I hope you find this video helpful. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.